So in this video, I will show you how you can send payment request on Payoneer. So first of all, I am on main dashboard of my Payoneer account. So what you have to do is to simply tap on this get paid section on the top left corner. Once you do so, we have the first option, which is request a payment. So you just need to tap on this request payment. You just need to tap on this request a payment. This will take you to this particular page where if you haven't verify your account yet, you just need to verify your account, then move to the further process. So once you are in payment request section, you just need to tap on this request a payment on the top right corner. Once you do so, you will be taken to this particular page where you need to select whether it's a company or an individual. So you just need to select one of these depending on your situation. Then you need to enter that particular person name. Once you are done, you just need to enter their particular email and their country. Make sure to enter the details correct. Once you are done, head over to the payment details where you need to enter all of your payment details that are required for this process. Once you are done, you have to attach a particular documents. So in the document, let's say you are doing some client work, video editing, graphic designing, or anything like that. You have to make an invoice of project. Once you do so, you just need to attach the particular document and then tap on the request payment. Once you do so, you just need to wait for a few seconds and this will send a request to the particular person email address, and then they can simply approve your request. And if I go back, this is how it will looks like. So hope this helped. This is how you can request a payment on Payoneer.